This is where we left off in this previous video. We mounted plant cell and animal cell on slides to observe them under the microscope. Let's study them in general in this video. For our convenience, let's select just one. Say the onion peel cell to understand that the structure and the contents of the cell. Roughly, we have seen this thick distinct border that differentiate each cell from the other one. Then we have these tiny dark spots scattered all over. Also, we can spot this prominent circular structure here which is very darkly stained. Any idea what these things are? Well, these are the cell constituents. Let's get introduced to each. This outer margin seen here is called the cell wall. If we zoom in a bit, we notice there is another layer in the inner side of the cell wall. This is called the cell membrane. Yes, the outer wall is cell wall and the inner layer is called the cell membrane. The cell membrane is also referred to as the plasma membrane. It is porous in nature. So what is porous mean? It simply means that any material can move in and out of the plasma membrane, but it is that dangerous? Of course it is. But the simple solution lies in the nature of the plasma membrane. That is because it is selectively permeable. So what is the selectively permeable mean here? Just like a guard standing on the office door who allows only members with the identity card to enter and exit, the plasma membrane also allows only specific material to move across. We will look at this in detail in our upcoming video. This was just to understand how the plasma membrane is selectively permeable. Now let's move ahead to know about the cell wall. Do you think all cells have cell wall? But the answer is no. That's because animal cells do not have cell wall. An animal cell only has the plasma membrane and not the cell wall. The cell wall acts as protect us from plant cell. It's composed of a non-living rigid structure that is cellular. It is not only act as a protector but also give a proper shape to the plant cell. It also have in cell-to-cell interaction and provide as barrier to undesirable macromolecules. It protects, it gives shape to the cell, and it helps in cell-to-cell interaction. Clearly, the cell wall is a very important part of the plant cell structure. Now let's get into a lighter region here. This lighter region is the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance filling up the cell space, and this tiny part in the cytoplasm are the organelles. And what exactly are they? Just like the human body has different organs, the cell has various organs, and just like the organs, each organelles perform a different function. Let's study each organelles and their functions in our upcoming video. Thank you. Keep watching.